Now, let's create a basic mouse, and after that, I'm gonna put the mouse on a hat. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, first, the mouse. First things first, we need to stretch this. Inflate a balloon like this. Approximate inflated area of the balloon would be, let's say, 6 inches. And inflate one more time because we will create a 2 mouse here. Okay, first step on how to make a mouse. Make a 1-inch bubble here. 1-inch bubble here. Another 1-inch bubble here. And another, put it together, this 2 1-inch bubble. Okay, just like this. Another 1 inch for the neck, 1 inch for our front leg, another 1 inch for our second leg, and 1 inch for the body, 1 inch for the third leg, and 1 inch for the last leg. So we have an instant mouse. Just do the same way here. Just like that. Now, let's create a hat. Okay, so this is our hat. Create a base hat. The basic hat. Put this end here. And get another balloon. Let's say yellow balloon. Okay, now before you put this halfway like this. Put it here, direct through this blue hat. Twist it around just like this, and like so. And now we have here the holder of our mouse. Now you need to make a loop here for our mouse by putting this. Okay. Now just do the same thing here by creating a loop instantly with the mouse. Twist it. Extra careful with your balloons, of course. And there you have it. We have a mouse. You need to arrange the mouse first. And that's it. We have a mouse on a hat. Hope you like it. Have fun.